Hello and welcome back folks. I've got this Vietnamese style marinade for you today to give a delicious flavour to pork chops. It works just as well on chicken. Begin by cutting up the lemongrass and removing the tough outer husk. The other ingredients for the marinade are 2 shallots, 2 cloves of garlic and grated palm sugar. All the ingredients are listed in the description. Place all the ingredients into a food blender. Also add in 2 tablespoons of water, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce and 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce. Close the lid and mix it into a fine paste. Marinate the pork chops for 3 hours. At the end of the 3 hours, scrape off the marinade and brush oil onto both sides of the meat. Grill both sides of the meat for 5 minutes each side, then finish off in the oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. To make the accompanying dipping sauce, combine some garlic, palm sugar and chillies with some lime juice, warm water and fish sauce. Serve with some freshly cooked rice and vegetables.